In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to Google Play Store balance. First, let's begin by opening the Google Play Store app on your device. You will see a colorful icon with a play symbol on your home screen or in your app drawer. This is where all your apps, games, books, and more are located. It's essential to have the latest version of the app for the best experience. Once you tap the icon, the app will launch, displaying various categories and recommendations based on your previous activities. This step is crucial because you will access all the features needed to add funds to your balance from here. Next, you will need to tap on your profile picture, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. This action opens a menu that gives you access to various account options. You will notice your account details, preferences, and settings. By tapping your profile picture, you are navigating to the account management section, which is essential for handling your payment methods and subscriptions. This ensures you have control over your purchases and settings. Once you are in your profile menu, look for the option labeled Payments and Subscriptions. This section is where you manage everything related to your financial transactions within the Google Play environment. After selecting it, you will be taken to a new screen detailing your payment history and options. This is important because it allows you to review past purchases and set up new payment methods, ensuring your transactions are secure and accurate. From there, tap on Payment Methods. This is where all your current payment options are displayed, such as credit cards and PayPal accounts if they are linked. You will also find the option to add new payment methods here. This step matters because it allows you to manage how you pay for apps, games, or subscriptions, making your experience smoother and more convenient. After selecting this option, you'll see a new screen with all the available payment settings. Now, look for the option that says Buy Google Play Credit or Add to Google Play Balance. This option may vary based on your location, but it is crucial for adding funds to your balance. By selecting this, you initiate the process of purchasing credits that can be used for various transactions within the Google ecosystem. This step is vital as it sets you up to make purchases without needing to enter payment details each time. Next, you will need to select an amount you wish to add to your Google Play balance. The screen will display several predefined amounts or allow you to enter a custom amount depending on the options provided. Choose the amount that best suits your needs. This is important because it allows you to control how much you want to spend and it helps manage your budget effectively. Once you've made your selection, you're ready to proceed to the next step. After selecting the amount, choose your preferred payment method from the options displayed. This could be a linked credit card, debit card, or another payment service. Ensure that the selected method is accurate and has sufficient funds to cover the purchase. This step is essential as it directly affects the success of your transaction. You want to ensure everything is correct to avoid any issues during the payment process. Finally, tap on Buy or Continue to complete the purchase. This action confirms your choice and processes the payment. After a moment, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your Google Play balance has been successfully updated. This makes sure your changes are saved and ready for your next purchase. With that done, you can now enjoy the convenience of using your Google Play balance for apps, games, and more. Thank you for watching and happy shopping!